Hello and welcome to UC Today. My name is Christopher Carey, and today we're joined by Vivek Kar, who is the head of Employee Interaction Suite at Tata Communications. Vivek, it's great to have you with us today. Just before we kick things off, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, hi. I have been with Tata Communication for last 16 years and based out of Mumbai. And currently, I look after the collaboration and the voice business unit globally, which literally translates into having the product sales and engineering vertical rolling under me, looking after the global enterprises, how they collaborate, what is the voice requirements, the coverage across the globe. So everything falls under my domain. So
Great. And just looking at the issue of collaboration, how are collaboration needs evolving in this increasingly hybrid and multi platform world?
the shift to the hybrid work has fundamentally transformed the way the collaboration happens, moving from scheduled synchronized meetings to blend of synchronous and asynchronous communication across time zone, devices, geographies. Today, workforce demands seamless access to voice, video, messaging, and file sharing capabilities not across a single platform but multiple platforms. Crucially, it is no longer just about working from the office or home. Employees also work during transit, where the connectivity could be an issue. Collaboration solution must evolve to maintain the productivity in this dynamic condition while ensuring enterprise-grade security and compliance with the global IT policies. So that is the new challenges which is coming up. It's no longer about the home or office. Even while commuting, it's become the connectivity becomes critical.
Yeah. And so, why is multi platform UC support becoming a business critical requirement for organizations today?
So today there is a distributed business landscape, right? Whether it's the employees, the partners, the customers, often operate across different UC platforms, right? Multi-platform support ensures seamless interaction and continuity without forcing users into a single ecosystem. And why this has been led to is there could be multiple of reasons. Even within the same enterprise, there could be multiple reasons why they're using multiple platforms. It could be mergers, it could be the regional variations, it could be because legacy infrastructure, which ultimately results in a heterogeneous environment. Supporting multiple platform helps preserve the user choices and the business agility. What we have to look into it is from two angles, right? If we want to make any changes, there could be could be a platform portability, it could be a number portability, right? Generally, the customer perceive them to be same. They are interrelated, but each has its own unique operational and regulatory compliance. Platform upgrades are often resisted due to the cumbersome number migration process. And this is what where Tata Communication is trying to help the enterprise, right? By focusing on providing a competitive voice services globally and keeping the platform integration top notch, right? To be have that multiple platforms integrated together so that it is efficient for the enterprise to either port between the platforms or port numbers between the platforms. So we enable both. So that's where the Tata conflict is.
And how important is user self service and flexibility in delivering scalable communication solutions?
So user self-service is a foundational element for scalability. It decentralizes environments. IT team can't be the bottleneck for routine actions like onboarding, troubleshooting, or configuration, right? Empowering users and local admin through intuitive portals and API accelerates adoption, reduces IT workload, and improves satisfaction, right? This is the key focus for us. For example, enabling local admins to seamlessly add users or team expand, add new countries through a single pane of glass is something what we are enabling. There are bigger customers who have supplier embedment capabilities. We provide them APIs to do the BAU activities on their own. So that is something which is becoming really important, right? By decentralizing certain capabilities, central teams can focus on their high impact strategic initiatives. And also, it takes away the pressure from the IT team, right? So, uh, a single platform, a single pane of glass become really important, right?
And what should enterprises consider when balancing platform choices versus standardizing one vendor?
Okay, standardizing with one vendor simplifies management, right? Management, security, procurement. However, what it does, it limits flexibility, it limits innovation or alignment with specific business unit needs, right? Conversely, a best of breed approach offers greater customization and capability depth, but demands more from the IT in terms of integration and governance. Enterprise actually must assess this trade-off based on business fit. What is the interoperability available between different platforms? What is the vendor maturity is? And most importantly, what is the total cost of ownership for different platforms, right? A hybrid model leveraging integration layers, unified governance, and analytics often offers the optimal balance, but there is a cost associated with it, right? And also the effort. Also, it is important to define the vendor clearly, because even in a multi-vendor scenario with the right partner and the orchestration layers, enterprise can deliver a consistent user experience and manage use cases across platform via single interface, right? But it is important that the partner is capable to do that, right?
Yes. And
And you know the end user use cases, right? Because that defines the platform strategy for you.
yeah, exactly. And how do you see the role of managed services evolving to support platform environments in the next few years?
So managed services are becoming increasingly strategic. As enterprise adopt multi-platform UC environments, the focus will move just beyond the basic support to value-added offering, such as cross-platform orchestration, AI-driven insights and reporting, monitoring and proactive issue resolution, unified security and compliance management, right? The ability to provide a single operation layer across platform, handling provisioning, analytics, and lifecycle management will differentiate the providers who are offering these services, right? Managed services will become the central to driving faster adoption, optimizing collaboration return on investment for the enterprise, and fostering continuous improvement.
And what are the biggest collaboration trends enterprises should prepare for over the next 12 to 18 months?
Okay, to name a few, there are several trends that are shaping the future of enterprise collaboration, something which we already talked about, right? Voice and video convergence. Enterprise are moving towards unified calling and meeting experience to eliminate platform silos, interoperability between the platform, AI powered productivity. Generative AI will streamline meeting prep, live assistance, transcription, post meeting summarization, everything, right? And so another important part is employee experience focus. Enterprises are becoming more and more employee experience or standardized employee experience across the globe. They are looking for tools that enhance personalization, adaptability, and well-being. Will be vital for the workforce engagement and retention, right? And let's not discount the security and compliance. With sensitive data spread across multiple platforms, unified governance and policy enforcement will be a top priority for any enterprise.
Yeah, great. I think that's all we have time for today, but it's been a really good session, and I'd like to thank Vivek for being here today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a share on social media, and we'll see you next time. I've been Christopher Carey for UC Today. Thanks for watching.